Omar Atif, Blue House, second in lemon and spoon. Upadhyaya Amit Ganga Prasad, Yellow House, second in book balancing, third in frog jump. Gurgaka Sankalp Prakash, Red House, second in frog jump, second in running. Subedar Amir Shazim, third in Gazge Arham Aksar. Jain Naman Hasmukh, Greenhouse, third in frog jump. Jamadar Mohammad Danish, Blue House, third in running. Dhumal Samarth, first in book balancing. Ghak Prajna Vikas, Red House, third in lemon and spoon. Admane Abdul Hadi Mudassir, Greenhouse, third in sack race. Hafiz Arshad Shada, Blue House, third in lemon and spoon, first in frog jump. Parkar Shazeb Shehzad, Red House, first in sack race, third in frog jump. Pawar Animesh Dheeraj, Greenhouse, first in book balancing. Raiko Hard Yash Ajay, Blue House, second in sack race. Shabandar Hamad Salman, Yellow House, second in book balancing, third in frog jump. Chogle Shahzeen Faisal, Red House, first in lemon and spoon, third in book balancing. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request my co-host Rabia ma'am to come and continue the prize distribution of secondary section.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Let's begin with the secondary session individual prizes. I would like to call Hidayat sir, please come forward and hand over the prize to our students. First is Hasib Suhail Khanzada. He showed third in 200-meter running. Hasib Suhail Khanzada, please come forward, dear. Second is Ved Sujit Birje, greenhouse. He stood first in 200-meter running, second in long jump. Zohra Tausif Sakaka, greenhouse, first in this throw. Zohra Tausif Sakaka, please come forward here. Alia Mujahid Jahangir, red house, third in 100-meter running. Next is Hetvi Aulik Patel, blue house, he stood first in 100-meter running. Khushi Subhas Singh, blue house, second in 100-meter running. Shreyesh Pralay Ambadkar, red house, first in this throw, third in 200-meter running. Paras Mahesh Surve, blue house, third in 400-meter running. Devashish Devendra Gurav, third in this throw. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Gufrana ma'am. Ma'am, please come forward and hand over the prizes. Mariam Nawab Admane, red house, second in 400-meter running, third in this throw. Shamika Manoj Ghole, yellow house, first in 100-meter running. Khadija Sahim Haddadi, yellow house. She stood first in 200-meter running, first in 400-meter running, second in this throw. Parents, please give a big round of applause. Next is Fariya Naveed Khanzada, blue house, first in long jump. Swara Manoj Mali, blue house, third in 400-meter running. Next is Swara Umesh Mali, blue house, second in 200-meter running, third in long jump. Ilham Kashif Pardesi, green house, second in long jump, third in 200-meter running. Aryan Mahendra Bhatka, blue house, second in 200-meter running, third in long jump. Ahmad Mohammad Amin Deshmukh, green house, third in 100-meter running. Path Samir Kadam, blue house, first in 400-meter running. Path Lavanya Sudhir Narvakar, blue house, first in 100-meter running. Achintya Jainendra Singh, yellow house, second in this throw. Bilalul Day, Yellow House, first in long jump, second in 100 meter running, second in 400 meter running. Burhan, please come forward. Okay, he's absent. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to call coach sir. Please come forward, sir, and hand over the prize to our students. First is Devashri Devendra Gura, Blue House, first in shot put. Kimaya Surendra Maku, Blue House, third in 200 meter running. Swarajendra More, Red House, third in 100 meter running. Swara, please come forward. Sara Samir Shigreko, Green House, second in 100 meter running. Aisha Majid Siddiq, Yellow House, third in this throw. Nachiket Narendra Satvirkar, Yellow House, third in 200 meter running. Sia Shailendra Singh, Red House, second in 400 meter running. Sia, please come forward. Next, Shivam Achut Chauhan, Red House, first in 200 meter running. Shivam. Abdul Hadi Abdul Rahman Shekhani, Blue House, second in 400 meter running, third in long jump. Varun Vivek Kachrekar, Green House, second in this throw. Mrugashi Manoj Darge, Blue House, second in this throw. Arya Uttam Jain, Yellow House, first in chess. Chess. Now I would like to call Masal sir. Please come forward, sir, and hand over the prizes to our students. First is Shubhra Sujan Birje, Yellow House, first in 100 meter running, first in 400 meter running, second in long jump, third in shot put. Neha Dinesh Borana, Blue House, third in long jump. Patil Pooja Prasad, Red House, first in 200-meter running. Nirmiti Nilesh Nayak, Yellow House, first in long jump, second in 200-meter running, third in 400-meter running. Shubhra Mahendra Cholkar, first in disc throw, second in shot put, second in chess. Ahmed Suhail Arasbegi, Green House, first in chess. Preet Parshuram Divekar, Yellow House, second in long jump. Danish Parvez Ikhtiar, Blue House, first in 100-meter running. Neil Swapnil Lad, Red House, first in 400-meter running, first in long jump, third in shot put. Yusuf Mufid Lage, Yellow House, first in disc throw, second in chess, third in long jump. Siddhant Santosh Mali, Blue House, second in 200-meter running, third in shot put. Bilal Wasim Narkar, Green House, first in shot put. Shafan Shehzad Parkar, Yellow House, second in 100-meter running, second in shot put. Basil Saqib Sauri, Green House, third in 400-meter running. Maruf Masood Shaban, Red House, third in 100-meter running. call upon my co-host Sheena ma'am to continue the further team event prizes. Thank you so much.
Good evening to one and all. I was just wondering if life is like a game, like those games that we usually have in our mobile phones or laptops. Just like these games are divided into different levels, our life has different stages. Each level has its own difficulties, but crossing this is what makes us a winner. Once Kapil Dev said, apart from education, you need good health, and for that, you need to play sports. And as we all know, for winning, good groups is necessary. Going by this, I would like to congratulate all the students who had participated and played very well in group games by facing various challenges at different levels. पर कहते हैं ना, खेलते तो सभी है, but जीतना तो किसी एक को ही है. With this, I would like to announce the team events. Firstly, I will be announcing the group events, that is the Kabaddi. I would like to request junior section and senior section captains, please come near the stage and stand in a queue. I would appreciate if Mr. Ahad Tandil sir could kindly grace the stage and do the honor of distributing the prizes. From junior section girls, second position was held by Yellow House. Captains and vice captains, please come forward. Junior section girls, captain and vice captain of Yellow House, please come. Junior section girls. Now the first position was held by Green House. Green House girls captain and vice captain. From junior section boys, second position was held by Blue House. Blue House captain, vice captain boys. Team Red stood first position. Red House captain, vice captain from boys section. From senior section girls, second position was held by Red House. Red House captain and vice captain from girls section. Be ready. First position was held by Blue House. Girls Blue House captain and vice captain. From senior section boys, second position was held by Yellow House. Yellow House. Team Red stood first position. Thank you so much, sir. You can take your seat. Now, I will request Ajay sir to please come forward and hand over the prizes to our students. Now, announcing for the dodgeball. From junior girls, second position was held by Yellow House. Captain and vice captain, please be on the stage. Team Red stood first position. From junior section boys, Team Blue stood second position in dodgeball. Blue House from junior boys. Team Yellow stood first position in dodgeball from junior boys session. From senior girls, Team Green stood second position in dodgeball. Red House stood first position. From senior section boys, Red House stood second position in dodgeball. Team Green stood first position. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
Yes, parents, patience are over. I am here to announce a privilege and honor to announce something important that our respected dignitaries who take out time from their busy schedule and graced our function with Char Chand. So, Principal of Suvidya School, Mrs. Sanjita ma'am, honoring a token of love and respect to them. I request Sanjita ma'am, please come forward and hand over a gift to Mr. Wasim Tandil sir. Yes, he is not here, he is in busy some schedule. So I would like to call on behalf of him, Mr. Ahad Tandil sir, to accept it. Please everyone clap. I request everyone. Our next, Mr. Shehbaz Tandil sir, please accept this gift. You be here only. You come forward. You go forward and give. Please be seated, sir. I request Mr. Sufyan Tandil sir, please come forward and accept this gift. I request Mr. Ahad Tandil sir, please come forward. Accept this token of love and gratitude, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, now I'm going to announce a very important for any school. Yes, it's a benchmark for any school. Educators are unsung heroes. Everyone remembers that one teacher. Yes, I'm right. That one teacher everyone remains who made the life incredible impact on their life. Whether in crying, motivating or encouraging to the student. Teachers' work is tirelessly to educate, inspire and guide towards the right path. Yes, you must be wondering about Teachers Award. Request Sanjita ma'am, please come forward. Mrs. Fatima Kadri ma'am, please come forward and accept this. Parents, student, please clap. Please be here, ma'am. Mrs. Juveria Kaur, ma'am, please come. Juveria ma'am. Miss Aisha Daroge ma'am. Miss Ruzmeen ma'am, please come forward. Mrs. Hina ma'am. Sumaya Kadri ma'am. Sumaya ma'am. Mrs. Mubina ma'am. I request anyone, please. Umar Kurdi, please come forward. Umar Kurdi. On the behalf of Mother's Gift. Saloni ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am, please ma'am. I request Sufyan sir, please come forward. Mrs. Ruksar ma'am. Mrs. Munazza ma'am, please come. Mrs. Adishri ma'am. Adishri ma'am. Miss Pooja ma'am. Miss Rabia ma'am. Mrs. Swapnali ma'am. Mr. Sahil Ansari sir. Miss Middat ma'am. Vandana ma'am. I request Akshada ma'am. Shrutika ma'am. Shrutika Tai. आनंद आनंद काका आनंद काका प्लीज कम On the request of someone, Sharu, please come. Sharu. All's favorite Sharu. Please clap. I request one more name, Nazia Muqtadi. She is not working with us, but still we are honoring as in pillar of support. I request Nasia ma'am, please come forward. Thank you so much, sir. Please have a seat. Okay, now management had decided for any time support that award I would like to call, that is a long serving award. So I request Shehbaz Tandil sir, please come forward to give this honor to the teachers. I request Mrs. Sanjeeda Khanzada ma'am, please come forward. The pillar of support. Please everyone clap. Please be so. Now I request Tanuja ma'am, please come forward. The another pillar of support of SEMS. Next we do have Imran Khanzada sir, please come forward. I request again Imran sir, please come forward. It's a humble request sir. Thank you for accepting sir. And yes, any guesses? Everyone's favorite. Any guesses, children? It is about sir. It's Mateen Hamdullah sir. Please come forward. Every time ready for any work, any support. Please clap. Last but not the least, it's our Preetam Veland ma'am. Please come forward. Preetam ma'am, please come forward. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. Again, we'll move on to the same, that is the Teachers Award. Here, I am moving to the Borli branch. I request Mrs. Rizwana ma'am, please come forward. I request Sanjeeda ma'am to honor a gift. Miss Aisha Korlekar, please come forward. Next, Taufika Gourmet ma'am. Iram Dalvi ma'am. Thakur, Miss Sonam Thakur, Miss Komal Thakur, Prajakta, Suraya, Ainin Korlekar, please be here, ma'am. Next we'll move on to our next branch, that is Vihur branch. I request Mrs. Tarannum Naktare ma'am, please come forward. The in charge of Vihur branch. Parents, children, please clap. Mrs. Neha Pal ma'am. Mrs. Rakhi Ambulkar ma'am, please come forward. Miss Madiya Kapse ma'am. Afreen Pangarkar. Vimal Tai. Whoa, we have done with the Vihur branch. Now, any guesses of which branch? Oh, really? That's right. That is the Majgaon branch, the main branch, Naj Academy High School, Junior College of Arts, Science and Commerce. I request Sanjida ma'am, please come forward. Let's begin with the HOD of Naj Academy High School and Junior College of Science, Commerce and Arts, Mr. Mateen Hamdule sir, please come forward and accept this gift. And next are Preetham ma'am, the HOD of Naj Academy High School. Here everyone please clap. I request Megha ma'am, please come forward. Megha ma'am. Shezan sir, I request Mr. Shezan sir. Supriya ma'am, please come forward. I request Manali ma'am, please come forward. She is the secretary of SEMS and yes, the administration of Naj Academy, the main branch. Please clap children and parents. Thank you so much Sanjita ma'am. I request Tanuja ma'am, please come forward to hand over the gift to the other teachers. I request Supriya ma'am, please come forward. Almas ma'am, please come forward. Miss Afrad Mehtab ma'am, please be ready. Mrs. Govri Anushka ma'am, she is not with us. On the behalf of her, Tanuja ma'am, please accept it. Mrs. Pangar Nawal ma'am, I request Mehta ma'am, please come forward and accept it on behalf of her. As well as Mehta ma'am, please wait, as well as of Madiha ma'am too. Rupeshri ma'am, please come forward. All rounder, Sanobar ma'am, the creative. Mr. Ashish sir. Students' favorite, PT sir. Zareen ma'am. Neha ma'am, please come forward. Miss Fahim Maria ma'am, please come. Rashmi ma'am, please be ready. Our next pillar of support is Ansari Nauf ma'am. Kalbaskar Dania ma'am. Miss Chogle Naima ma'am, please come. Maulana Maz ma'am, sir is available here? No. Ruman sir. Ashirwad sir, please come forward. Seema Khanzadeh ma'am. Pratibha Tai. I request Tainiyat ma'am, please come forward. Pratibha Tai. Favorite Tai. Kavita Tai. Jagannath Kaka. Yeah, not last but not the least, Mrs. Dilsha Tamad ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am. Thank you for the lovely gift with the appreciation which they have given to us. Yeah, now take a long breath and be ready for the yesterday's gifts and prizes, children. request Mr. Mateen Hamdullah sir, please come forward.
Good evening all. Yes, all are excited for the yesterday's results, correct? Yes or no? So first I'll start with the karate. Actually that is not the yesterday's program karate, but besides academy, yes, we are training our students for the karate, art like a drawing, craft. So first I'm start with karate. The prize for the 4th Master Royal Cup National Karate Championship that is held in Andheri Sports Complex, Mumbai, that is Aisha Majid Siddiq. She got bronze medal. I request to Aisha Majid Siddiq come on the stage, and I request to Shahbaz sir, please hand over the trophy. The next one is Hamdan Salim Haddadi. Yes, he got gold medal in Hero Suman Talwar Cup 2023, that is held in Mulund, Mumbai. Haddadi Hamdan Salim. As well as he got the gold medal in 4th Master Royal Cup National Karate Championship. It is a big achievement for the school. The next one obviously is sister Haddadi Khadija Salim. Haddadi Khadija Salim, she got bronze medal as well as the gold medal and silver medal. The next is Shivam Achut Chauhan. He got second position in Nehru Yuva in the Murud, first position in Alibag Federation, and the first position in Kerala. The next, Darshal Jayendra Singh. He got first position in Nehru Yuva Kendra Marud, second position in Alibag Federation, again in the first position in the Kerala. Darshal Jayendra Singh. The next is Sia Shailendra Singh. Sia Shailendra Singh. She got the first position in Alibag Federation, first position in Kerala. That is the Asian level championship. Okay, thank you so much, sir. This total credit goes to our karate master, that is Mr. Sheikh Sahil sir. Please clap for him. The next move to science exhibition. Our student participated in science exhibition that is held in Nadgaon, Panchkuroshi. And obviously they win, that is the second position in science exhibition. So first I would like to call Rishabh Bharat Jain. He got second position in essay writing, second position in quiz competition, and second position in science exhibition. I request to Sufyan sir, please hand over the trophy. And his co-partner Arya Uttam Jain. She got second position in quiz and second position in science exhibition. Okay, thank you, sir. Come to next prize, that is Kala Bharti Handwriting and Drawing. I request to Masal sir, please come forward and hand over the trophies for Kala Bharti students. The first one is Hetvi Olik Patel. Hetvi Olik Patel. The next one is Shivam Achut Chauhan. Shivam Achut Chauhan. Next one is little and cute Mehvish Suhail Khanzada. He's the Shivam head boy of the school. The next Mehvish Suhail Khanzada. The next Yasin Ibrahim Manyar. Yasin Ibrahim Manyar. Next one is Masil Muazzam Khanzada. Masil Muazzam Khanzada. And the last one is Sia Shailendra Singh. Sia Shailendra Singh. Okay, thank you, sir. Yes, after Kala Bharti, it's time for Rang Utsav. Yes, just I got the result of Rang Utsav in my hand, and it is a surprise for the students. I request to Ahad Tandil sir, please come forward for this prizes. The first name is from class 7th, Mariam Nawab Admane. She got second prize and National Silver Award in coloring. Mariam Nawab Admane. The next one is from class 4th, Daure Afia Nehmatullah. She got 4th prize in coloring set with gold medal. Daure Afia Nehmatullah. Yes, she got 4th prize in coloring with coloring set with gold medal. The next one is obviously the master in drawing, the Shivam Achut Chauhan from the 9th standard. He got trophy in handwriting as well as sketching with the bronze medal and 999 purity of silver trophy. Please clap for the Shivam. Yes, he got the 999 purity of silver trophy. The next one is from the class 5th, Fatima Saqib Sauri. She got gold medal in finger and thumb and gold medal in coloring. Yes. Fatima Saqib Sauri, she got gold medal in finger and thumb and gold medal in coloring. The next one is Arjun Ankur Gobre from the class 3rd. He got gold medal in greeting card, gold medal in collage making, gold medal in handwriting and bronze medal in cartoon making. Total 4 medals. Actually he was absent, he is absent today. So his cousin on the stage. The next one is from standard 9. Walid Javed Sabinkar. He got gold medal in coloring. Walid Javed Sabinkar, he got gold medal in coloring. The next one is Hafiz Haya Shadab from the nursery. She got gold medal in coloring. The cutest girl, Hafiz Haya Shadab. Yes, she got the gold medal in coloring. The next one is from the class 7th, Deshmukh Ahmad Mohammad Amin. He got gold medal in coloring. Deshmukh Ahmad Mohammad Amin. The next one is Warge Yash Yogesh. He got gold medal in coloring. Warge Yash Yogesh from class 2. I think he is absent. The next from standard 8, Kokade Solia Imran. She got gold medal in coloring. Kokade Solia Imran. She got gold medal in coloring. Okay, the next from the senior KG, Haddadi Manal Saim, gold medal in coloring. Again the cutest girl, the Haddadi Manal Saim. The next from class 5, Solgar Fatima Tosif. She got gold medal in coloring and gold medal in cartoon making. Fatima Solgar. Solgar Fatima Tosif. The next one is Talib Marwa Raif. Talib Marwa Raif. She got the gold medal in the coloring. Talib Marwa Raif. Okay, next from class 8, Nupur Ajay Raikod. She got gold medal in sketching. Nupur Ajay Raikod, she got the gold medal in sketching. The next from class 4th, Ghag Prajana Vikas, gold medal in coloring. Ghag Prajana Vikas. The next from class 7th, Jahangir Mehdi Gulzar. He got gold medal in coloring. Jahangir Mehdi Gulzar, gold medal in greeting card. The next one is Ali Mahir Mansoor from the class 1st, gold medal in handwriting and bronze medal in finger and thumb painting. Ali Mahir Mansoor. Okay, thank you, sir. Now I request Khod sir, please come forward. Okay, I request to Khod madam, please come forward and hand over the remaining prizes. Move to next from class 8, Kimaya Surendra Maku, gold medal in coloring. The next from the class 9th, Murgashari Manoj Darge, gold medal in handwriting. Murgashari Manoj Darge. The next from class 4th, Jahangir Alina Gulrez, gold medal in finger and thumb painting. The next from class 7th, Ilham Kashif Pardesi, gold medal in greeting card. Ilham Kashif Pardesi. The next from class 7, Shamika Manoj Ghole, gold medal in handwriting. Shamika Manoj Ghole. The next, Talib Ikra Raif from Junior KG, gold medal in coloring. Talib Ikra Raif. Talib Ikra Raif. Okay, next, from it's a very cutest girl, that is Talib Ikra Raif. Please clap for her. The next from the class 8, Siddhika Santosh Mali, gold medal in coloring. Siddhika Santosh Mali. Next from class 2nd, Dayanji Nabia Tahir, gold medal in coloring. Dayanji Nabia Tahir, gold medal in coloring. Next from class 9th, Darshal Jayendra Singh, gold medal in coloring. Darshal Jayendra Singh. Next from Junior KG, Gazge Khadija Abed, gold medal in coloring. Next from class 4th, Havaldar Saif Saqib. Havaldar Saif Saqib from the class 4th, gold medal in greeting card and one surprise gift also. Next from class 7th, Burhan Bilal Ulde, bronze medal in coloring. Burhan Bilal Ulde, bronze medal in coloring. Next from Junior KG, Admane Alisha Sufyan, bronze medal. Okay, next from class 2nd, Kadri Aliza Musaddiq, Kadri Aliza Musaddiq, bronze medal in coloring. Mohammad Danish, bronze medal in coloring. Jamadar Mohammad Danish. Next from class 8, Shriya Sandesh Thakur, bronze medal in coloring. Shriya Sandesh Thakur, bronze medal in coloring. Next from senior KG, Maniyar Mahira Ibrahim, bronze medal in handwriting. Next from class 9th, Arya Uttam Jain, bronze medal in handwriting. Arya Uttam Jain, bronze medal in handwriting. Next from class 7th, Sora Manoj Mali, surprise gift for handwriting. Sora Manoj Mali, surprise gift for handwriting. Next from junior KG, Wangare Uzair Mati, KG gift with gold medal. Wangare Uzair Mati. And last name, KG gift with gold medal, Admane Ahmad Shabab. Admane Ahmad Shabab, we got KG gift with gold medal. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yes, I would like to call again the stage Master Hamdan Salim Haddadi, Khadija Salim Haddadi, Aisha Majid Siddiq, Shiva Machut Chauhan, Darshan Jayendra Singh, and Sia Shailendra Singh. I request to Sufyan sir, please hand over the trophies. Hamdan Salim Haddadi, Khadija Salim Haddadi, Aisha Majid Siddiq, Shiva Machut Chauhan, Darshan Jayendra Singh, and Jia Shailendra Singh. They perform at the karate level. Now I would like to call Neil Swapnil Lad. Neil Swapnil Lad for triple jump at district level. Neil Swapnil Lad. Yes, he performed triple jump at district level for the school. The next, Nachiket Narendra Satvirkar, he also performed at district level for high jump. Nachiket Narendra Satvirkar. Okay, thank you, sir. Now I would like to call a Shivam group on stage for taking your trophy that you already got in Murud Festival for your best performance for the dance. Shivam group. I request to Masal sir, please hand over this trophy. See, for the making the perfect responsible person, obviously the role of the teachers. Without teachers, it is not possible, and obviously without the parents. And after the teacher, that means the behind the teacher, obviously the biggest hand of the management member. Without management member, it is not possible to successful our journey with students, parents. So for encourage the management member, the Kala Bharati team and the Rang Utsav team has sent token of love. I request to Mr. Shahbaz Tandel sir, please accept this trophy from the Rang Utsav and Kala Bharati team. This is from the Rang Utsav team for the management member. Now I request Sufyan sir, please accept the trophy sent by the Rang Utsav team. Next, I would like to request Manali Patel madam, please come on the stage and accept the trophy by the hand of Masal sir only. As the management member, the trophy is sent by Rang Utsav team. The next trophy for the principal of SAMES, Mrs. Sanjita Khanzada madam. The next trophy for principal of SAMES, Sanjita Khanzada madam. The next award of Dronacharya award. Again I request to Masal sir, please hand over this trophy to Tanuja Gobre madam. Dronacharya award sent by Kala Bharati team. The next I would like to call on stage Fatima Qadri madam. She got trophy as a coordinator in the Rang Utsav team. The next as an active teacher in the Rang Utsav and Kala Bharati team, Jueria Kaur madam. The active teacher award by Rang Utsav team and Kala Bharati team, Jueria Kaur madam. I would like to request all the staff of SAMES, please come on the stage for taking the active school award. The Active School Award selected by Kala Bharati team. I request all the teachers, please come on the stage. Congratulations all the member, principal, coordinators. See now the turn off, thank you sir. Now the turn off yesterday's fun fair. We already many corners, that the Mehndi competition, Rangoli competition, then fruit and vegetable carving, and obviously food fair. That is food festival. So now I'm announcing the results that I got in the mobile phone now. So it's a secret for me also. So first I'll begin with Rangoli winners. I request to Shilpa Jain madam, please come forward and hand over these trophies. See, for Rangoli winners, we make the two groups. The first group is 1st to 4th standard and the second group is 5th to 10th standard. First I'm start with pre-primary to 4th standard. The second runner-up, Khandagle Kapil Kautuk. Yes, I request to his mother also please come on the stage, because without mother it is not possible. It's really the appreciation for the parents. Without parents it is not possible. Now I request to Sufyan sir for Mehndi competition winners. For these prizes also I would request to mothers, because mother's side is not possible to win that competition. The second runner-up, Wangare Mohammad Mati. Sorry, it's another competition. It's a pair, Nirjala Rupesh. Pair Nirjala Rupesh. Don't worry, Wangare, you also get the prize afterward. The pair Nirjala Rupesh. Runner-up Jamrud Khani Hafsa Usman. Jamrud Khani Hafsa Usman. I request to Hafsa's mother, please come on the stage. Unexpected. The next one is winner Siddiq Taha Samiullah. She is a Jamrud Khani Hafsa Usman. And the winner of Mehndi competition is Siddiq Taha Samiullah. The winner is Siddiq Taha Samiullah. Okay, thank you, sir. Now I request to Gufrana Khanzada madam, please hand over the trophies for Best Out of West. Yes, parents are seriously, when you visit yesterday, when you saw the lots of things made by waste material. The second runner-up, I already announced the name, Wangare Mohammad Mati. That is the third rank. Wangare Mohammad Mati. The runner-up, Hafiz Haya Shadab. Hafiz Haya Shadab. And the winner of Best Out of West. Yes, any guesses? Don't tell the name, just tell me that object. Yes, any guesses? Yes, we also confused yesterday that who will win that Best Out of West. Hafiz Arshan Shadab. The winner of Best Out of West, Hafiz Arshan Shadab. Okay, thank you, ma'am. I request again Ahad sir for the prizes of fruit and vegetable carving. The third prize goes to Pallavkar Uzair Kamal. Pallavkar Uzair. Yes, he is running for his gift. The runner-up, Shabandar Hamad Salman. Shabandar Hamad Salman. And winner, Havaldar Saif Saqib. The winner of fruit carving, Havaldar Saif Saqib. Yes, yesterday he brought that lots of material, vegetables and fruit in tray. Okay, thank you, sir. Now the turn of sweet dishes. I request to Shahbaz sir, please hand over the trophies for sweet dishes. The third prize goes to Fatima Tosif Solkar. The runner-up, Hamad Salman Shabandar. Hamad Salman Shabandar. And winner of sweet dish, Haddadi Ammar Shafiq. Okay, thank you, sir. Now I request to Ajay Jain, sir, for the prizes of spicy dishes. The third rank goes to Haddadi Khadija Saib. Haddadi Khadija Saib, third rank in spicy dishes. The second rank, Kaware Aisha Afiq. And winner, Rajasthani Thali, that is Jain Mahi Rajendra. Okay, thank you, sir. Now the turn of class decoration. Yes, the teachers and the student, please come near to the stage. Yes, the teachers and students, they get lots of struggle for making the best class, not a best class actually, that beautiful classes. And obviously I thanks to parents also. When I visit, the many parents are coming with rickshaw and scooty for giving the lots of material for class decoration. See, we make the two groups for pre-primary to standard 4th and class 6 to 10th. So the third prize, yes, whenever I will announce this prize, I request to class teacher only come and take the prize. I request to Masal sir, please hand over this trophy. The third prize for the class decoration, Joshi ma'am class, standard 4th. Joshi madam, please come on the stage. The class decoration prize, the second runner-up. The runner-up, the pre-primary section, I request to Ruksar ma'am and Vandana madam, and Sumaya ma'am also. Yes, they are the pre-primary faces of our school. The most creative teachers. And the last one is very simple and sober. The transport class, that is the standard 3rd. I request to Munazza madam, please come on the stage and take the trophy. Now the turn of standard 6 to 10th. The runner-up team, sorry, the second runner-up team, standard 10th. I request to Fatima Kadri madam, she is the class teacher of standard 10th. The runner-up class, the class decoration team, Rabia Wangare madam class, standard 7. The winner team is the Shararti students, lots of Shararti, but they are very creative. In the 8th standard gang, Aisha Daroge madam. diligent class. That's why we didn't give the class decoration award to this class. Now hope you understand the best class, that is the diligent class 23-24. Sufyan sir, please. It's 9th standard. The diligent class 23-24 goes to 9th standard. All the students of 9th standard, please come on the stage. Congratulations, Hina madam and all the class students. Now it's time for best students. Best student from the pre-primary section, and whenever I will announce the name, that time I request to parents, please come along with your child. The first girl category. Yes, any guesses from the it's Miss Haddadi Manal Saib, the best student from the pre-primary section. Haddadi Manal Saim, the best student from the pre-primary section. I request the parents of Manal, please come on the stage. The boy category, best student, Master Kokate Mohammad Imran. Master Kokate Mohammad Imran, best student for boy category 23-24. Okay, now it's Azan time, so we'll wait for a few minutes and be patient for best student for secondary section and best house. See, before announcing the best student of secondary section, yesterday we made one corner for teachers also, for teachers dish. So I think 5 teachers, they keep their dishes in this corner. And the winner of the Teacher of Food Festival, yes, any guesses? Yes, teachers, any guesses? All are telling Jueria ma'am. Okay, so I will announce the same name, Miss Kur Jueria madam. I request to Shehbaz sir, please hand over this trophy. She made a very tasty Anjeer dessert. Now again I request all the DICE member, please come forward for remaining 2 prizes. That is the best student boy category and best student girl category. Best student boy category, girl category goes to Miss Chaulkar Shubhra Mahendra. Chaulkar Shubhra Mahendra. She is absent today. If any relative is present here, please come on the stage for taking this trophy. Chaulkar Shubhra. I request to class teacher, please come on the stage and take this trophy on the behalf of Chaulkar Shubhra. Now it's time for boy category best student. Any guesses? Boy category best student goes to yes, you only guess, then I will announce the same name. Yes, I didn't hear the voice. Shivam also. The best student goes to Ladge Yusuf Mufid. I request to Yusuf parent, please come on the stage. Grandmother present here. I request to his grandparent, please come on the stage. Maruf's grandparent coming on the stage. Yusuf. Lots of voices here, Maruf and Yusuf, that's why confused now. Congratulations Yusuf and family members. Now the last. Now the best house. All the students, please come near to the stage. Yes, everyone know there are 4 houses, yellow, red, green and blue. Yes, any clue? Any clue? The color of, blue is cancel. That means clue and blue, that is the cancel. So blue is reject. The next. Okay, I am giving the 2 chances, that is a red tomato and the ripe mango. Is the favorite fruit tomato or ripe mango? It's my favorite ripe mango, that means Yellow House. So all the team member of Yellow House come on the stage, and congratulations team Yellow. The same principal arranged some gift set for same teacher. I request to principal ma'am, please come on the stage and distribute the gifts for the teachers. Ms. Via want to share some few words with all of you. Please be seated.
Good evening everyone. I am the ex-student of Sividya English Medium School. So there is so proud moment for me to stand here in front of you because of my parents and my teachers. And I'm really thankful to my teachers that they helped me a lot in my studies. So after 10th, I choose commerce because in commerce there are many fields like CA, CS, CMA. And there is no donation in the commerce field. In this world, we know the importance of money, but in the commerce field, we already learn about the